Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on July 16th, 2020. BioNTech's vaccine was approved for human trials. Shanghai Fosun Pharmaceutical reported on Thursday that Beijing approved an early-stage trial in humans of experimental COVID-19 vaccine, which is developed by its local partner BioNTech. The potential medication is one of the two most advanced candidates that BioNTech is working on with its partner Pfizer Inc. The firms received fast-track status this week from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, which is designed to speed up the regulatory review process. Fosun Pharmaceutical stated its unit will start a phase 1 clinical trial of new vaccine as soon as possible once it is ready. Chinese company agreed in March to pay up to $85 million in licensing fees to use BioNTech's mRNA technology and make an equity investment of $50 million for 1,580,777 ordinary shares in the German firm. Car registrations in Europe fall in June. Passenger car registrations in Europe declined in June from the same period last year, but showed some improvement since May with the easing of coronavirus lockdown measures across the region. Data from the European Auto Industry Association showed new car sales in the EU, Britain, and the European Free Trade Association countries decreased 24.1% year-on-year to 1,131,843 vehicles. These figures marked a notable recovery from May's 56.8% drop. Sales tumbled in all European markets except France, where they rose 1.2% in June due to government incentives for low-emission vehicles. Registrations in Germany fell 32.3%, while in Spain, Italy, and Portugal they slipped 36.7%, 23.1%, and 56.2% respectively. OGCT Group plans to reduce its carbon intensity. The Oil and Gas Climate Initiative, a group of the world's top oil companies, announced the plan to set targets for cutting their combined greenhouse gas emissions as a proportion of production for the first time in history, as pressure on the sector's climate stance increases. The OGCT consists of BP, Chevron, CNPC, Eni, Equinor, Exxon, Occidental Petroleum, Petrobras, Repsol, Saudi Aramco, Shell, and Total, which together account for over 30% of the world's oil and gas production. The group's members agreed to reduce the average carbon intensity of their aggregated upstream oil and gas operations to 2021 kilograms of CO2 equivalent per barrel of oil equivalent by 2025 from a collective baseline of 23 kilograms in 2017. UK's labour market declines in June. The Office for National Statistics showed on Thursday that the number of employees of companies' payrolls in the UK declined by 649,000 between March and June, hitting the largest falls at the start of the pandemic. Overall, Britain's unemployment rate unexpectedly held at 3.9% in the 3-month to May, while analysts were expected to rise to 4.2%. In terms of the number of vacancies, they decreased 333,000 in the 3-month to June, marking the lowest level since the data series began in 2001. The marks a 23% fall from the previous record low in 2009. In turn, Finance Minister Rishi Sunak last week announced a £30 billion round of measures to contain a forecasted surge in unemployment, including the payment of bonuses to companies which take back furloughed workers.